Do you want your calendar to match the way you actually plan your week? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can change which day shows up as the start of the week. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Tap the settings icon. Next, tap first day of the week. Here you will see 4 options available. Local default, which follow your region standard. Saturday, if you want weeks to begin on Saturday. Sunday, great if you like to start planning from Sunday. And Monday, which is the default for most people. The nice thing here is that you get a preview at the top of the screen, so you can instantly see how your calendar will look at its choice. For example, if you pick Sunday, your weekly calendar will now begin on Sunday instead of Monday. It's perfect if that's how you prefer to organize your week. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.